This video tutorial is dedicated to help you get rid of the malicious pop-ups by the website renewsubscription.org. Renewsubscription.org is a dangerous site. This site attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It tries to make you basically download and install certain potentially unwanted applications. If you ever see these pop-ups, you need to be very careful not to interact with them. Such pop-ups are totally deceptive. So just leave this deceptive page. Do not install what these pop-ups tell you to install. I recommend that you additionally investigate your computer with the reliable antivirus, because the fact that these pop-ups attack your screen could be the evidence of some adware on the system. So I recommend you to research your computer with Combo Cleaner. Get it on the website combocleaner.com. Download it, install it, and start researching the system with its help. After you start Combo Cleaner antivirus for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time. Wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.